Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Magnum Education Buzz. Let's start the video.
Hello friends. Today, we will learn about 30 I am action verb sentences for kids. Perfect for learning and teaching. Let's start. I am running. I am running. I am running. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am walking. I am walking. I am walking. I am playing. I am playing. I am playing. I am singing. I am singing. I am singing. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am clapping. I am clapping. I am clapping. I am laughing. I am laughing. I am laughing. I am smiling. I am smiling. I am smiling. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. I am reading. I am reading. I am reading. I am writing. I am writing. I am writing. I am drawing. I am drawing. I am drawing. I am coloring. I am coloring. I am coloring. I am counting. I am counting. I am counting. I am cooking. I am cooking. I am cooking. I am eating. I am eating. I am eating. I am drinking. I am drinking. I am drinking. I am sitting. I am sitting. I am sitting. I am standing. I am standing. I am standing. I am listening. I am listening. I am listening. I am talking. I am talking. I am talking. I am shouting. I am shouting. I am shouting. I am helping. I am helping. I am helping. I am cleaning. I am cleaning. I am cleaning. I am swimming. I am swimming. I am swimming. I am flying. I am flying. I am flying. I am driving. I am driving. I am driving. I am looking. I am looking. I am looking. I am watching. I am watching. I am watching. I am playing football. I am skipping. I am kicking.
Please like the
I am
video and
throwing.
subscribe for more.
I
Please
am
like the video
catching.
and subscribe for more.